Quack, 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 quack.
Hello everybody. This is an old airbag that's been set off. Probably by somebody who wasn't paying attention when they were driving. Rammed up the arse of something, no doubt. But that's what an steering wheel airbag looks like when it goes off. Boom. And the actual airbag here, when it comes out, it quickly deflates. But you have to sort of like cut it off, otherwise you can't drive it because the airbag's all flapping in your way. Anyway, that's scrap. I've got a 2017 Ford Transit Custom. They call this one a Pro Cab because Cab Direct have done this Transit up into like a proper taxi. Anyway, I had to remove the steering wheel and all that on this cab, and I was looking around to try and get the airbag off. And unlike a Mark V Mondeo where there's like a little pinhole, you can stuff a little screwdriver through and it unclips it, I couldn't see how the hell the flipping airbag come off this thing. So I literally had to look it up. So I thought I'd make a very quick video about how to do it. Once you've done it, obviously it's flipping easy. So let me show you. By the way, whenever you're disconnecting airbags and stuff like that, you should by rights disconnect your battery and wait 15 minutes if you're worried about that sort of thing. I will try to do this without shaking this phone too hard, but the first thing you need to do is the little lever under your steering wheel. Pull that down and pull your steering wheel towards you as far as it will go. Okay, that's so you can get to the other screw. I'll show you. You've got one Torx 25 screw just under there. So if I put my screwdriver there, I can undo that one. Okay, and right at the base of the steering wheel cowling there'll be like another little slot, and there's another Torx 25 screw up in there which you have to undo. And then we can take that one out of the way. The top cover around your steering column, if you had a little plastic tool or something, you can slide in there. I'm just using a screwdriver for this, but you can pop it up, okay, and it'll actually come up. It's just clipped in, and then you can literally pull that up, and it kind of unclips from around your switches. Because we've already taken the screws out of the bottom cover, all you do is pull it forward a little bit and it will drop down. Then the whole thing will just come off and slide out. I've jacked the front of this up just so I can turn this steering wheel easier, because I'm going to actually need to turn the steering wheel like 90 degrees towards me. So I'm going to put the key in, put it on number 1 and turn that wheel like 90 degrees clockwise. And then under here you'll see the hole there in the steering wheel. You just get a flat bladed screwdriver and just slide it in that hole and push, and the actual airbag should pop up like that. That's one side of it already done. So now I'm going to turn the steering wheel around again like that, and there's our other hole. So I'll put the screwdriver in again, give it a push, if it will work. Yep, that's it. Now that should literally come out like so. There'll be a little bit of wiring. I've actually undone this so you can see it. You'd need a little pick to prise the little orange tab out of there, and then your airbag wire can pop out. And the only other 2 wires you got are your horn wires, which you can just pull off. Right, that little airbag wire that you've got to plug back in, it only goes in one position. You can like kind of judge the sort of like shape of the actual connector. So once your airbag plug is back in, the little orange tab there, you just press that down so it's back into place like that. Sorry for shaking the camera, but also make sure you get your horn connections both connected back on. They're 2 different size connectors. Right, I'm going to set the horn off here because the battery's all connected back up. But I'm just going to push this back in. You just grab it with your hand like that, and that's it. Done. All back in place, nice and easy. Anyway, that's it. You see what I mean? Easy when you know how. It's just a bit annoying, so you actually got to take the steering wheel surround off, but there again, it comes off quite easy on these Transits. So anyway, that's it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.